Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am your Sasha. I am your girl Sasha, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope that you're gonna like our content for today. And also, I've been seeing that I'm gaining new subscribers. That means that I am doing my job well so far, and I'm so grateful and appreciative of everybody that tuned into my videos and like, subscribe, comment. It means so much to me, guys. Thank you so much. And I have to shout out my girl Yandra. If you're watching this, I see you, girl. Thank you so much, guys.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Enough rambling, let's get into this video. Today I'm gonna be bringing on a special guest on my channel. As you can see her in the background of my videos when I am doing, my fun little videos. She's always there helping me out or cussing me out, but yeah, let's bring her on. Okay guys, welcome to Woman of the Hour. Oh yeah, that's not welcome her. Wait, mom, you know sure.
You know, so this is no good.
You know what happened?
You know what show me supposed. Yeah, sit there now. Then you know, so this is no
No,
good.
but you keep on a drop. I'm on. Let me see what we have here. Okay, guys, here she is, Mother. Welcome to the channel. How you feel?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling so great in the video. Couldn't be greater.
So, you know what you're doing today?
I don't know what I'm doing today. I just came here sitting. I don't know what you're doing.
You can start now, but you know.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
This is going to be so fun, guys. So, should I be asking you any questions?
What kind of question?
How long you know I've been doing YouTube though?
10 years now.
Which 10 years? I've been doing YouTube in that 10 years.
Yeah, it's about 6 years now.
6 years? No, it's not so long. I think 2018, 2017, me joined.
Oh, not so
Way back
long.
before me did start the gaming.
It's about 5 years now.
No, not 5 years.
4?
Let's start the video. What we'll be doing today, mom, we're going to be making baby cake pops. If you have not seen that video as to me unboxing this lovely machine here, you can go on my list of videos and check that out. It was a decent unboxing video, and if you want to know more as to how it came packaged, then you can go and check that out. So mom, in this book, this book came with it, we're going to see a list of recipes we're going to follow. We're going to bake them in a dish basically, understand? Yes. So yeah, you saw me do it already, right? One time guys, I tried this out and it came out good just to see if the machine was working. So now it's my first time doing it on camera, and who better to try this with me than my mom. Mom, what did I eat?
What in else to sit up my mouth?
I feel a joke and give me this video though. No man. So we have these straws because as you if you research what baby cake are, they're just some mini small cake balls. It's basically cake, but it's just in ball format, as you can see. So these straws are going to be what I don't have any chocolate to put on them, so
Yeah, every time you can have chocolate.
we'll go on chocolate. Which recipe I got choose? May I give you a little second to choose one of them? Well, we can afford anyways. Okay guys, we came across a little bit of what do I call it, error?
I think so.
No problem. We were going to do this cake pop thing, but going through the recipes I forgot I'm going to be needing egg, and we did not get any egg, so this video will probably continue when we get the egg or the other day.
Everything that you do in his egg. Oh.
So find recipes we don't egg then.
Yes, hey. It must be some natural.
Mommy, you can't talk now, man. You sound like a robot right now.
It must be some natural. Pure egg. I don't know what's going with this.
We're matching today. You know that, right? Purple. Wait, you know, so we not even did color coordinate. We never said we're going to put on purple or no color. We just...
Yeah, no color. Cause I'm in from yesterday.
So, guys, we should have put in clip how she actually talk, you know. And this year I try to put in the English there.
I'm not putting it on. It's the same on top. Okay, when you English video, you cannot talk about it. But I'm not putting on anything.
Oh, we can't even laugh properly. So guys, until then, we'll see you
Next time.
yeah, that's it.
So bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah. So bye bye, my friends. Till next time
So
again.
long, farewell to you, my
And
friend.
see you again. So bye bye. See you guys.
Bye
again.
guys, on to the next clip.
So we both see each other again. Bye.
What have you been? I'm sure.
Too tired. I let me down. That's why you know some that. You put some for roast it. Asa for the so. Just move for your head. You say I know better than that.
Okay, mother.
Hey, you don't put asa back so. Alright, this no better.
Yeah, it much better.
It's a even me so.
It's your record.
I make me say the boo.
Okay.
But if you know what say you're supposed to roll because you were tall, you should have known that.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready to
start the intro?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here we are again. Today it's about 2 days after because we had things to take care of, and today is the day that we get to record this video. So today we're going to be doing vanilla cake pops, and this time we got our eggs at last. So yeah, let's get started. First yeah, we're looking in the book, but you need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, but I'm using cake and pastry. A cake and pastry again? The red one. Oh, you have fun.
No, me a thing before me
I'll see if you think.
I can't put you know at all.
We gotta try to remember.
Yeah,
It's an all-purpose flour, guys, but we have cake and pastry, so that we are using, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Have our baking powder over here. Then salt. You have it into this little shaker thing here.
Butter. Paper. The butter. Then add the vanilla. Sit here.
But how much vanilla that are the
Then
thing?
you just spoonful of vanilla. And you can add up milk.
Yeah, half cup.
Half cup of milk.
And we're gonna do the chocolate part of it later on. So yeah, let's get started. Are you gonna do it now? So I'm gonna tell you what so I'm gonna tell her what to do based on here. So now, mom, you're just going to combine the flour. I'm already sipped the flour, so you can combine that and the baking powder and the salt.
Okay.
So there you go. For the baking powder, we need 1 teaspoon. So basically this. So you can throw that. We'll do this here.
You want to just put on the container because I just emptied the flour in the container, as you can see, guys. So right now it's empty. There's no flour in it.
Next, salt. Them say one this amount of salt. You should put it on here, so just kind of.
I'm just gonna open this one moment. Let's take a little tip of salt, guys.
It's a full it, more little tip. But let's go overboard.
Let's quarter. Quarter is enough salt. Put it in it. That is it. Then for today. Gotta see with us, guys. Combine flour, everything in it. Now we're gonna combine it together. Everything in it.
You mind, sister.
As you can see, guys. Everything in it.
Oh, we're supposed to have a separate bowl. We're gonna put the butter, sugar, and the egg. You can just beat it in this, so you can buy pick up the egg.
But in it,
so set this aside. But what you're gonna need?
I thought the dish supposed to be rinsed out.
We can't bother, mama.
Yeah, nothing that is can't too bother. I'm patient.
You want to do it, eh?
No.
Okay. You're tired from today, so she's been in the kitchen, guys.
All day, cooking. Sunday dinner.
I'm not gonna get away from the talk here today. So next, there's sugar. Sugar. Oh, I'm never carry it. Sorry. Okay, guys, I'm back with the sugar. So she's going to do that part. She's going to combine the sugar and the butter together. And then, meanwhile, I am going to crack the eggs to add them in when she's finished with the sugar and butter mixture.
Turn on the thing.
The thing. The mixer. Yeah, we just go down so.
Yep, you put me on.
We already on.
No, Josie, I think this container is
You
too
just
small.
need to at least get up then if you want.
Yeah, the container is too small.
And just
Yeah, I need a bigger container. It's so small, so I cannot get the thing.
try get it cause right now.
Really small.
Alright, pick it up.
Just need a bigger, you need a container. Like, you can't do.
Oh my.
You can't do something like
I'm gonna
this.
come back again. Mommy, why you have to taste a little time back on the business?
I'm just tasting a little bit that I see on the.
You feel like Oliver, you know the commercial, the Easter bun.
Oliver, because Oliver send one.
You take a little bite and then another little bite. And before you know it, it's done.
And I'm just tasting a little bit of skin.
Alright, you can continue.
Oh, ready now?
Yeah, man. Yeah, you get up. Yeah.
You got this thing on, you're right.
You can wear it, man.
Oh, yeah, so we'll look at it.
So I'm gonna add the eggs. No, and I just have this camera here to just video what's happening.
Actually, let's turn over. Don't mind me, please.
Mix that first. One at a time. This is a disaster kitchen today. That in. Then I'm gonna do my vanilla. Let me help you. Like you're struggling, okay?
I'm not
Sorry,
sorry.
leave it.
I'm using the mixer, so I can do
Everything at once.
everything at once.
Or you think I manage when I'm the other one?
I don't know. Maybe stronger.
Come on, time to fast with our road.
I'm not fast. I'm just looking to that one out here.
Kind of look weird now because the butter, you know the butter, the flour and sun are in there yet. Okay guys, so now we just want to add the milk and the flour. So let's say to do it in alternate section, meaning that you're going to add some of the milk, some of the flour, some of the milk to your stop with the flour and the egg, if that makes any sense. So while you're mixing it, just throw them so it doesn't stick together, right? press that there. So this is how it looks, guys, the finishing product. Mom, how it tastes?
It tastes so good.
No, actually, be real.
It's tasty.
Jeez, okay. So guys, after we sorry for the mess right here, but after we finished everything, it tasted not too sweet. It was just right.
That's right.
So this is how it turned out. So what we're going to do now is turn this on and pour the batter into the machine and see what happens. So let me just plug it in. So once you plug it in, you see a light come up red on the machine. Don't know if you can see a difference, but there's a light, so we have to let that what do you call it now? Warm. Then we're going to pour this into it, Mom.
Yeah, you got to make it warm first.
Yeah, so we're going to wait and then get back to you. Okay guys, I guess it won't show the light until it's hot. Feel up here, Mom. Feel it hot?
It feels very hot now.
See here? So we're gonna pour the batter in. Ooh, steam. You guys see that? So Mama carry one of these for you to pour it in. So just wanna pour it.
Draw the container near to it. So don't splash on the table.
So I want it just little above the little hole or whatever. Yes, Mom, you don't have to play it no more. Jeez, we're supposed to go fast anyways. We have to take a bit of slow time. Alright, do it for me then, since you are doing it. Okay guys, we have to switch to the other camera because the space ran out of the other device. So we just close on the lid right now, and then we look darker on this one, than the other. Yeah, so we put it in the machine, close it down, so I don't know how it's going to look. Fingers crossed. What do you think that turned out?
It's going to turn out, but then
we use too much butter.
No. Come up with the container is very hot to warm it before we put the thing in it.
We're gonna put the cake box in it. 1% here.
Finish it already.
Yeah. It's coming along, guys. I'm gonna let them do more when we finish as it. Yeah.
Yeah, put some water in.
Yeah.
And what is that?
I just going to do another set on camera and then use the chocolate part of it to cover the cake bars in, and then that's about it. You know that. You know the chocolate that I have? Just swirl them in. And then we can do this a bit brighter. You know, like the quality on your phone, you can't get up with a phone.
It's that I have. I don't have anything else. Then my phone alone.
In the meanwhile, I just want to cut this straw into 2 so we can put the cake balls on. So I should melt the chocolate first. So guys, I made some chocolate ganache, some milk with just chocolate and milk. So that's why it's high in volume. I'm gonna dip the cake boss in that. So let's see how they're doing. Oh my gosh, let me do. What am I gonna use to take it out now? Wow, you're not helping.
Just throw it through the container in the thing.
Oh.
Yes, let it control them more. That's what I am. Yeah, like that.
You want to chop one? It is a steak though.
Yeah, that means. Let me put something here and come out.
You want it too little?
everything just working. You are gonna be me queen, me be your king. We are work together and put we are.
You want to feel it? Can put some. I'm just gonna go for the sprinkles.
And a wife and a friend, like Haile Selassie, I empress menen. Me a the sun, you are the moon, the star, the children. Love is gonna be it. I know that I can.
Mommy, you pull it too.
Man, if it big, that's why.
Oh my gosh.
What if it big? You want to see my. You can see it. Let me come up big
Can you come
enough.
over and steal one?
Come on, see that's how it go.
Mr. Yeah, come to your grill and sit. You sit in them full to the brim. Me have your shortens. This is how they look. So
I can't taste one.
you can. Here.
Yes, the boy.
Just gonna cut this straw now. Put it to 14.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Guys, do you remember this straw from my birthday video? You can go and check that out. Come if you're so near to the cake pop thing too now.
I don't watch my mouth.
So before all of this melts, it won't melt. So I took away. What I want to do is take one of the straw, take one of the cake.
No, why for this one?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do something first. So I'm
Okay,
gonna take
yeah.
this,
Really tasteful.
dip it in the chocolate, and then pour it through here. It's not even set right, but alright. Then we're gonna take my thingy, take the chocolate. Oh, it's right here. And just go around with it.
You think so?
Take it out.
That's the most here?
And
Yeah.
that is the style, just the style. You never see it. And if you want, you can put it up. I want to add some sprinkles. Just to give it some thing about it. But make some of that sugar, the excess chocolate. I just want to put it like right here. If it can. Do you think it's gonna work? Oh,
Japan shit.
it's not gonna work. But guys, look at this.
Yeah, I don't know stuff.
The chocolate that drain. That's why I want to put it on that so the chocolate can just drain properly and set. Go. Oh. Yeah. If it was so it down what you are doing can know. Hey what? Shocking news. Look at that.
Look at this, guys, before.
It's not what it is. Okay, that's one. One down, more to go.
So, guys.
Well, while those two, I'm just showing you guys, these are the three that we have finished so far. As you can see, it came out better than expected. So, Mom, what do you feel about this video?
Great, it's great. It's great, but it's burning. It's great, it's great.
We're not done video, so might as well end the video right here. So, but guys, I wanted to do some with white chocolate, but we didn't get any. Guys, look at these ones. Oh,
I can't
the
remember
ball.
Yeah.
Wait, mommy, end the video right now. We're ending the video. Gotta do an outro. Come, sit down. End the video. So, Mom, what you learned from this video so far?
Okay, now that today is challenging. And I will do a lot of baking. So,
You think you'll join me for the next video again?
yeah, I think I will do what the next one.
Guys, I'm so sorry again for the quality of this video. The space run out. You know, when you're a small YouTuber, like things like this happen, but we just try to record what we could. So I really hope that you like
Next time
this
it will
fun
be great.
video and it will be great the next time, of course, yeah. So I hope you learned something. I'll link the recipe for this cake ball down below. If you want to try it, go ahead. You can even do this without the machine. All you need to do is make cake, roll it into a ball, and fill it with the chocolate if you desire. Simple. So it doesn't take nothing much. Gonna try this one right now. Try and take a try the chocolate. Come, let's try one on cam. Look how it's so pretty. Watch her, guys. Look at it. You gonna wait? Give me it. No.
It tasty, guys. It's so good. Yeah, it's so good. It's tasty.
Hey, this man.
I think this one
It's good.
oh yeah, it's tasty. It's great.
Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye, you.
You gave me the letter. I guess it was July. You said we